DiversyFund Real Estate Investment App Review. Usage Experience. Links to DiversyFund and related resources can be found in the description below. DiversyFund is a real estate investment platform designed to make high-quality commercial real estate accessible to everyday investors. With its focus on growth-oriented assets and a straightforward investing model, it's an excellent choice for individuals looking to diversify their portfolio with long-term real estate opportunities. One of DiversyFund's standout features is its focus on multifamily real estate projects. The platform pools investor funds to acquire and manage apartment complexes that are value-add properties. These properties are renovated and optimized to increase their market value and rental income potential. Over time, this strategy aims to deliver significant capital growth for investors. What makes DiversyFund unique is its accessibility. Unlike many platforms that require accreditation or high minimums, DiversyFund is open to all investors with a minimum investment of just $500. This democratizes access to real estate assets that were previously limited to institutional investors or the ultra-wealthy. Another key advantage is that DiversyFund takes a fully hands-on approach to property management. The platform owns and operates the properties in its portfolio, eliminating the reliance on third-party managers. This integrated model helps maintain control over costs, timelines, and profitability, ensuring a more efficient investment process. DiversyFund's growth REIT model is focused on long-term gains. Dividends are reinvested to maximize returns, making it ideal for investors who are willing to let their investment compound over time. However, this also means it's not suited for those seeking regular income, as liquidity is limited until properties are sold. The platform is also highly transparent, providing regular updates and performance reports on its properties. You can track your portfolio's progress through an intuitive dashboard that shows key metrics and insights about the fund's activities. In conclusion, DiversyFund is a great option for investors seeking accessible entry into commercial real estate with a focus on growth and long-term value appreciation. Its low minimum investment, focus on multifamily properties, and hands-on management make it a strong contender for diversifying your portfolio. Check the links in the description to explore DiversyFund and see if it aligns with your investment goals. This review should help clarify whether DiversyFund is the right platform for your real estate journey.